So we still have this storm passing through. I see the worst of it basically near us. You can hear the thunder cracking, the lightning flashing. Still got good winds, a little bit less than it was when it was approaching. Still looking to our north-northeast. We're still here. We're still here. Some nice flashes. Little thunder. So at this point, I think we've kind of eased into a typical summer thunderstorm in the evening. That front edge was intense. It moved over, churned the water up, churned the bay up. Lightning strikes everywhere, energy in the air, lightning strikes from sky to water, water spouts. Really nice storm. Fun to watch, fun to video. I would think that the Gulf Shores area, all the way over, maybe even into Panama City, got a good, or is about to get a good little thunderstorm for the evening. So hey, everyone, this is my third video of the evening. Check out number 2 of tonight, as well as number 1. And I'm going to call it a day, but it's been a nice storm update. I won't necessarily call this one tropical, even though that depression did pass through to our east and skirted up the seaboard. Well, not depression, just disturbance. Whether this rotated off the outside, I don't think so, because of the movement. It looks just like a typical thunderstorm. So anyway, everybody have a great evening. If you didn't get the piece of the storm locally, well, hopefully you enjoy watching it. In the meantime, have a great day. Click a like below, subscribe below, and look forward to a good season this year of weather, at least for tropical weather. Thanks again. Take care. We're here. Weather all year. Peace out, guys. Be prepared. Have a great, great, great evening. See ya.